Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the basics of querying in Splunk. Splunk uses its own search processing language, or SPL, which allows you to search, filter, and analyze machine data with ease. To get started, log in to your Splunk instance and open the Search and Reporting app. This is where you'll run all of your queries. Let's begin with a simple example. You can search by index and source type to target specific data. For example, typing index equals main and source type equals access combined will pull events only from that source. From there, you can refine results further by adding logical operators like and or. These help you narrow down or expand your search depending on what you need to analyze. Now let's move on to more advanced querying. Splunk provides commands such as stats and time chart, which allow you to summarize and aggregate data. For instance, you can count events or group them by time to see useful trends. You can also extract fields directly from your logs. The rex command with regular expressions is especially powerful for pulling out specific details from unstructured data. Finally, once you've built a useful query, you can save it as a report, an alert, or even a dashboard panel. This makes it easy to reuse your work or share it with your team. And that's the overview of how to query in Splunk. With SPL and its commands, you can go from basic searches to advanced data analysis in no time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.